Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change multiple row heights in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you're working with data that has varying amounts of text, or when you need to make your spreadsheet more visually organized and easier to read. First, you'll need to navigate to workspace.google.com and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials associated with your Google Workspace. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Workspace dashboard where all your files and folders are stored. From the dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to change multiple row heights. This will open your Google Sheets file in a new tab, giving you full access to edit and modify your data. Take a moment to ensure you've opened the correct spreadsheet before proceeding. Now comes the important part, selecting multiple rows. Click on the row number on the left side of your sheet to highlight the first row you want to modify. Then, while holding down the Shift key, click on another row number to select a range of rows. Alternatively, you can hold down the Control key on Windows or Command key on Mac to select non-consecutive rows. This flexibility allows you to adjust exactly the rows you need without affecting others. Once you've selected your rows, you have two straightforward methods to change their height. The first method is manual resizing. Place your cursor on any row header within your selection, such as row 2. Then move your cursor to the line either above or below that row number until it changes into a double-headed arrow. When you see this cursor, click and drag your mouse up or down to resize the row. The beauty of this method is that it will automatically affect all the rows you've highlighted, making them all uniform in height. The second option gives you more precision. Right-click anywhere on your selected rows, and from the context menu that appears, click on Resize Rows. This opens a dialog box where you have much more control over the exact measurements. In this dialog box, input the specific size you want for your rows. You can type in the exact pixel height that works best for your data. This is particularly helpful when you need consistency across multiple sheets or when you're following specific formatting guidelines. After entering your desired height, click OK to apply the changes, and that's it. Your selected rows will now all have the same height, making your spreadsheet look cleaner and more professional. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.